Hi guys, welcome back to channel. Today we are going to discuss how to apply Cyprus visa from UAE. Go to the official website, and first step will be the appointment. After booking appointment, then we can do the rest of document. Now we can see step-by-step guidance. Identify visa type. From here, type visa type, and we have to select from here short stay visa. I'm selecting here tourism, and here you can see the overview. They mention here appointment is mandatory. You have to book appointment, and for Syrian and Turkish national must apply Cyprus visa directly at the Cyprus embassy in Abu Dhabi. Okay, and UAE national no need visa. Holder of valid multiple entry Schengen visa are not required to apply visa to travel Cyprus. If you have a valid Cyprus, if you have valid Schengen visa multiple entry, then you don't need visa to Cyprus. But Cyprus is not part of Schengen. And the visa we can apply maximum 80 days in advance. 18 days before from the date of travel we can apply the visa. And accordingly we have to book the appointment. So when compared to Schengen, most of dates are available for Cyprus. And now that we can check the fees. Fees are same like Schengen visa. And appointment fees something slight difference in Abu Dhabi and Dubai. Apart from this fee, you have to make the appointment fee. Now we can see the documentation requirement. Now we can get the checklist from here. Click here. Now we can see documents requirement, application form, and 2 photo size photo, original passport, 6-month minimum validity, and your residency should be valid 3 months, and NOC from your company, and should address to Cyprus embassy in Abu Dhabi. So you have to carefully check the Cyprus, especially check for the checklist. For applying any visa, check first checklist clearly. Accordingly, you have to arrange documents. Rest of document: business owner, trade license copy, dependent applicant who are under husband, father sponsorship. Take the NOC from the family members, and original bank statement 3 months latest. Flight booking. Flight booking, they clearly mention no to purchase travel ticket. So it's a dummy reservation is enough. Hotel reservation. Travel insurance, same like Schengen visa, 13,000 euro, and day by day itinerary. Now we can see what is that. It's a day by day itinerary. It's a day by day itinerary where you are going and what is the activity. So anyone looking for Cyprus itinerary, hotel ticket reservation, travel insurance, you can contact us. And if you're looking entire documentation, that also you can contact us. We can help you with the reasonable charges. Now we can see back to the section, and rest of other documents, additional document if any other purpose. Okay, for tourism we need only this much documents. Now we can see processing time, photo specification, photo 3.5 into 4.5, and processing time 15 working days, and application form, application for a visa. It's a PDF form, so we can easily download, and you can fill it by aboard, and we have to paste your photo here after, and in the bottom we have to sign it also. Like that the process is going on for Cyprus. Cyprus is a good option if we are waiting long time for Schengen, so you can try it for Cyprus. It's a good advantages for next time we are applying for Schengen visa. Hope you guys understand about Cyprus visa. Any question you can put on comment. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in another video.